Hi everyone, it is a pleasure to meet you all in the next video of Python tutorial series. In this video, we will implement logistic regression in Python language. So yeah, let's get started. You know the drill. We are going to import all the libraries we want. From linear model, we have imported logistic regression. We have imported confusion matrix, accuracy score, Jaccard score as part of the metrics. And as usual, we have imported train test split. And for today's video, we will be referring one breast cancer dataset from scikit-learn. Based on the characteristics of a cancer cell, we are going to predict whether the cancer cell is a malignant or benign one. So let's get started. Let us import the dataset. So let us view this. I have imported from scikit-learn directly. Here our target variable is 0 or 1. So basically we are going to build a classifier. Here the 0 represents the cancer cell is malignant and 1 represents that the cancer cell is benign. So here there are various feature variables. So we are going to take only 2 for simplicity. I'm going to explore the data. So I'm going to plot our feature variables against the target variable. So before that, let us convert the feature variables into a data frame and store the target variable into another variable. So here we have both feature and target variables with us. So these are all the feature variables. So I'm going to plot the first one, which is mean radius, against the target variable. So if you see, as the mean radius increases, which means the cancer cell is malignant. When the radius of the cell is lower, that means the cancer cell is benign. So we are going to take mean radius, and there is another feature variable called worst radius. So let me plot the relationship for that also. That is also almost same. So let us consider both of these feature variables and build our model. So I have taken mean radius and worst radius and storing it into a x feature variable, and as target variable we have directly stored the cancer y array. So now we have our feature and target variables. So let us build a model. Before that, we have to split our feature and target variables as train and test split data. So as usual, we'll do that. So we have splitted our data. Now let us build our model. So this is the logistic regression function which we have imported from scikit-learn.linear model. So I'm going to use that here. So now let us train our model using that fit method. Now we have trained our model. So let us predict something. So I'm going to predict y values for the given x test values. Yes, we have done that. So let us plot the confusion matrix so that we can get to know how our model is performing. So here if you see that we have 35, 7, 2 and 70. Here 35 is true positive, 7 is false positive, 2 is false negative, and 70 is true negative. I think our model is performing very good because we have more true values than the false values. So let us calculate the accuracy. So if you see, the accuracy score is 0.92, which means our model is more accurate because it is nearing the value of 1. So similarly we can check what is the Jaccard similarity score. So can be viewed using Jaccard score. These both of the things we have imported here, accuracy score and Jaccard score. So yeah, let us view it. So we have 0.88 amount of Jaccard score we got here, and I think it is very good too. So our model is performing great. Yeah, so this is how you validate your classifier model. And yeah, that's it for today, and in the next video we will be discussing about decision trees and their implementation in Python. So until then, see you, have a great day.